When you access the link from an email or open it from our mobile home screen, you are taken to the Meal Plans screen. Then click the Go to Meal Plan button to see the meal plan details. On the Meal Plan Details page, choose Recipes by clicking the Add to List button. After you have selected all the recipes you want, click the Prepare Shopping List button at the top or bottom of the screen. Once the shopping list is created, you will see a page with the products you need, grouped by grocery store department, and the recipes included in the shopping list. The ingredient amounts are adjusted for the number of people set in your plan. MealestroAI also lets you make shopping lists using recipes from different meal plans. To do this, mark the recipes you want as favorites in your meal plan view, then go to the Favorites screen. Select the recipes you want to include in the shopping list and press the Create Shopping List button at the top or bottom of the screen. You can add up to 7 recipes to one shopping list.